Yes, we're doing this again. I think we do it from the beginning again. I have bought new primer and we will prime this area and do it again. I am using paper in the front here, and that's because I want a rounded edge. That will help me later when I will cover up what I'm just doing. I have described this trick with the paper in an earlier video, so just go back and watch that one. I think something like this will be good. We have a round edge here. It's this area and this area we will have the most of. But I will go all the way out here. So we lay a couple of layers with this. Here's another thing you never should do. You should never mix different brands, but that's what I'm doing here. Mostly because of I could reach this today. If I order the other one I've used before, I have to wait a week. And I want this done now. And I also have had trouble with the other one, with some reactions. But hopefully this paint layer that still are here are protecting us from reaction on this layer under here. But we'll try and see what's happening here. I can actually see where the area is right now, so it should definitely have been visible with the clear coat on. This comparing to the other stuff I've used, so this feels really thin. I think I need to do a lot of layers to get something on with this one. I don't think this was the best choice. The guy who sold it to me didn't feel like he knew what he sold. He had a big bottle and a little bottle, and it was the same price. And I asked, what's the difference? It's no different to this, I say. But I think the little bottle was maybe the one I should have, because this is really thin. And the other stuff I use from bilfärg.se, it's thick. It's really good to use. Just a couple of layers and you're done. This is more a paint than a primer you sand off later. I can still see it, so this is a really thin product. I don't like it at all, but I can't do more layers now. It has to dry. So we let it dry for a couple of hours, then I go over it again. It's much easier to feel the defects through this cloth than just using the hand directly on the surface. Wow, I feel good about this now. After a ton of setbacks, and it's a lot of setbacks, you can see it if you watch my YouTube channel. I now feel comfortable that this will be really great. There is one thing though you could help me with. I'm not sure what the best way is to get the clear coat in a good shape. I have fade this base paint out a bit, so it's not smooth in the end where I fade it. So how do I get the clear coat to be clear? Do I have to sand it between layers, or I think that's the way I'm going to do it. Lay clear and sand it and lay clear again, or is it another way? Should I lay clear and put base paint in the same round or something, or how do you do it to get a really good finish on it? Help me with that one. So now it's time to get some clear coat on this thing, and I'm going to open several cans. I think I begin with 2 cans at once, because when I lay the clear coat I have to tilt the can a lot, and I think I can get everything out of the can if I tilt it. So that's why I will have 2 cans ready from the beginning. What's left in the can I can use on fenders and things later. Now we wait for the paint to get a bit sticky, then we lay another layer, and we can lay it pretty good next time. I think the hardest thing is to not go too fast. You have to go really slow to get enough paint on there. that's all what I can do today. It's not perfect, but I think one of the things is the underlayer, the base layer is not perfect. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.